And as we keep an eye on Butler County, that's where they're expected to see a foot or more even of snow over the next 24 hours.
Road crews were out yesterday pre-treating the roads and will be working around the clock until the roads are safe and clear. Joining us live on the phone now is Kelly Maurer, the Director of Public Works in Cranberry Township. Kelly, thank you so much for waking up early with us and being here with us. How are things looking right now in Cranberry?
I think you've had a live cast this morning, so that's pretty much what we're seeing. All roads are snow covered. I have our cameras up right now. That's from the neighborhood roads to our local roads to the PennDOT, Route 19, Route 228. Everyone is out there plowing, but they are snow covered.
And Kelly, really, it's a lot of work. So what advice do you have for people who are in Cranberry Township during the snowstorm, to let you guys do your job?
Right. So really from a maintenance perspective, we've been out since 2 in the morning. Our crews are out. We do have 17 routes. We have 25 crew here today. But this storm has been elevated, obviously, by its intensity. The township has activated their emergency operations center as of 7 a.m. this morning, and it will continue until the storm's over. That means that myself, fire, EMS, and the township management are all in one room here at Public Works managing the storm with a concerted effort. And we are using local forecasts, but we also have pavement sensors in Cranberry Township. We're monitoring them closely because that gives us a pinpoint of what's actually happening. So we're about a quarter of the way through the storm. We're seeing it peaking. So right now we're climbing the hill of the peak. Rates of about 1 inch an hour are going to be from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. So during that time, it takes us about 3 hours to do a route. So if it's coming down 1 inch an hour, we're probably going to see 3 inches on the road. So all roads will be snow covered. Our job is just to keep moving that snow off the road so it doesn't accumulate. We don't see those rates then decreasing till about 10 o'clock tonight, and then we'll be in a cleanup mode. So all day today, snow on the road. Most things have been canceled. Please stay home.
Sounds like you guys are doing everything you possibly can. Kelly Maurer with the Cranberry Township Public Works. Kelly, thank you so much for being here, and stay safe to you and all of your crews.
We appreciate them.
Thank you very much.